Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add frame or border around your video in Capcut, iPhone or Android. So in this case I use the Android version. So let's start by open your Capcut and open one of your projects. This one, for example, I took this video from library and I want to add a frame here, white frame to this man. So all you have to do is tap on overlay and add overlay. So you can search on the library here with the white one, the white video here. So you can adjust the size of the overlay here and try to search mask here. This one, mask a rectangle for example, and readjust here and use invert feature here. So you can see there is a frame here. You can adjust again the size here, like a frame, so you can practice to make a perfect frame here. So this is please free to try practice yourself in this CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.